Hey, welcome back to our new video. For more information, kindly like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. So today the Shopify store we are discussing is Zamcold.com puzzle. Zamcold is the store that just provide you the best products and the best prices. Why you choose Zamcold? The Zamcold is a brand dedicated to the development, manufacturing, and marketing of premium electronic products. Core products include portable Bluetooth speaker, outdoor Bluetooth speaker, and others. Zamcold product line, deeply appreciated by consumers, is becoming a prominent brand in the marketplace. If we talk about Zamco advantages, Zamco performs in-depth studies of various electronics, best brings customers a wonderful and enjoyable product experience. Zamco's teams just work out for the products that they just first get experience by themselves so that they get satisfied for providing them on their store and that just their customer just enjoy these products. Zamco brand's experience team has specialized in developing and marketing for many years, continuously breaking boundaries, bringing premiumable products they are providing. Zamco strives to uphold lean production, comes customers first, and strives to bring quality, practical products and comfortable and excellent electronic products experience to enormous customers. If we talk about Zamco is just not only just best team, just that just has the experience of best manufacturing and that just has bring the threshold of many records and best providing the press premium reliable product that just blow up your mind with their technology, with their products. But also Zamco is the products is the store of the brand and the products that just provide you the best things that everyone could enjoy. They just experience their products on themselves firstly, and Zamco has the best quality that they just offer the best prices on their products, and they provided too much percent off so that they had the best human trafficking because of their reliability and their legit products. And Zamco has opening sale up to 30% off on their store, and that you want to enjoy their 30% off, and they provide all of these products with the best services and quality. They have many product listed on their product store, and they have many categories on their store. Zamco is dedicated to the development. They just work out for the development, and they are just mostly out of stock because of their best prices and best product sales. Because today in this era, no store and brand just offer these services in a wide range of products with the best functionality. For more information, kindly share our video. See you in the next video.